Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you upload reels on Instagram from your PC. So firstly, log into your Instagram account on your PC. So once you're logged in on your PC, all you have to do is that click on create option here. So click on that, create, and then here you just have to now select the video that you want to upload. So select from click select and then choose the video, whatever video that you want to upload it. So click on that. I'm selecting here. So select that. So here, so that's the video I'm going to just upload it for demo purpose. So just hit on next. Then here you can do all these editings if you want. You're choosing a cover photo if you want to trim the audio and the sound if you need sound or not sound. So you can choose all those things. Okay, so once you're done with it with your editing, click on next. And here, as usual, you can write your captions, your hashtags, whatever you want to mention, you can do that. And then if you want to tag people, click on here and tag the people that you want to tag on the video. And you can add all these locations and any other settings if you want. You can adjust all these settings if required, if you want to. And once you are done with it, so what you can do is you can click on share. So when you click on share, this video will be shared as a reel on your Instagram account. So hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Thank you.